Hey guys, and welcome to another video from Dainty Bite. Grab a pound of raw jumbo shrimp and let's make this lemon butter juicy creamy jumbo shrimp. I was filming this and it took less than 10 minutes, so if you're prepared, it's a very quick meal. I grabbed a handful of flour, all-purpose flour seasoned with salt. Mix the flour and salt and cover both sides of the shrimp well with the flour. Remove the excess and set aside. Finish the rest of the shrimp. To a non-stick pan, I added 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. You're gonna cook the shrimp for 3 minutes on each side. When it's golden and looks something like this, you're gonna flip on the other side. Give it another 3 minutes. Cooking the shrimp over medium-high heat, so this is gonna go pretty fast. The shrimp I got are pretty big, so they needed 3 minutes to cook properly. Whatever you do, don't overcook the shrimp. Now they're crispy on the outside, very juicy on the inside. Now I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of garlic, 2 cloves of garlic smashed. Add your white wine as well. Mix it in. It's a very quick cooking method. We want the wine to reduce just a little bit. Keep the heat on medium-high. When it looks something like this, you're gonna add the cream. 3 to 4 tablespoons of cream, heavy whipping cream. Now add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Finish with 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix it in. Garnish with red pepper flakes and parsley. Serve warm. It's gonna be the juiciest, creamiest shrimp you'll ever taste. I baked some fresh bread to enjoy with this beautiful, simple meal. The bread will soak all the buttery, garlicky flavor. The shrimp is cooked to perfection. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments box below. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube yet, please do so. Follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook. And until next time, my friends, bon appétit!